According to a perspective often attributed to Nikola Tesla, understanding the universe begins with energy, frequency, and vibration.
Building on this concept, advocates suggest frequency sound therapy
may promote specific aspects of overall human well-being. While a 432 Hz frequency calms an anxious mind, a 280 Hz frequency stimulates metabolism and fat burning. A 528 Hz frequency, projecting healing wisdom, aids natural regenerative processes.
Similarly, a 417 Hz frequency restores vital energy.
Although these claims remain subjects of ongoing debate,
They are not established by mainstream medical research.
proponents consider frequency therapy a complementary wellness approach
rather than a substitute for professional medical care.